first code we'll be doing is to find whether the number is a prime number or not. So we have to give a number equal to int input, enter the number. So this will allow the user to enter any number which he wants. In the next line, we have to use the if condition. If the number is greater than 1 for I in range 2, num. So the Python interpreter will refer from the number 2 till the number which the user has input. If the num mod I is equal to 0, it is not a prime number, so we will print no. So to stop the function over here, we will use the break function. Else, if the number is a prime number, we have to print yes. Print yes. Else, it will not be a prime number. So we have to print no. So if I press the run function and I enter the number 6, we'll see that the answer no is printed. So the next code we will be doing is to find factorials. So over here I have to give num int input so that the user can enter any number which he wants. Enter a number. In the next line, I have to declare a variable called factorial, which I'll give it as fact. So fact over here will be 1. For I in range 1, num plus 1. In the next line, we will give fact times equal to I. And in the end, we have to print fact. Print fact. So if I run the code, I'll enter a number 2 and I'll see that the answer 1 is given. So over here I have to change from fact to num. When I enter 2, I'll see that 2 is given and 2 is the correct answer. The next code we will be doing is to print a multiplication table. So I'll declare a variable called num. I'll give it as int input, enter the number. Enter the number. So we use the for I in range function. For I in range 1, 11. So to print out the multiplication table, we have to do it like this. Print STRA plus the star symbol. The star symbol over here refers to multiplication symbol, plus STRI plus equal to plus STRA times 1. So when I run the code, I'll enter the number 11 and we can see that the 11 multiplication table is printed in the terminal. So indent this code as well. Last but not least, we'll be doing a code to find the total sum. So over here we have to give two numbers, A and B. So over here A will be equal to int input, B will also be equal to int input. We have to assume that the sum is 0, hence we'll give sum equal to 0. For I in range A, B plus 1, This will refer from the number given A to the next number of B. Sum will be equal to sum plus equal to I. Sum plus equal to I is as good as saying A plus B, and in the end we have to print the function sum. So when I run the function, I have to key in two numbers. I'll give in 1 plus 2, and we can see that 1 plus 2 equal to 3, which is printed in the terminal. If I give 11 plus 12, 23.